Welcome back and continuing the news. We begin this segment with a TVJ news follow-up. After heightened tension among taxi operators in Portmore St. Catherine over the poor state of the Dunbeholden Main Road, the National Works Agency NAA has finally confirmed that work will begin in the area soon. This assurance comes after the operators were stopped in their tracks today as they tried to launch another protest in the municipality. Kelisha Williams has this story.
After last Thursday's protest, these taxi operators who use the Dunbeholden Main Road in Portmore St. Catherine were back in the streets again. However,
I know we're not here. Every road I got fixed or what. Not even look a mall them to come and drop in a hole them. When the rain fall, no car not go running. Our police are target because we plan to come out this man again and police are target we. So we have to just consider.
The men were later called into a meeting with Member of Parliament for Southern St. Catherine, Fitz and representatives from two of the major transportation groups. And the Member of Parliament insists he has been making representation for the road to be fixed.
To the extent that you gather here when the president alerted me you were coming, the truth be told, I felt good because at least me get support towards getting it fixed.
This morning's meeting with the operators, I feel ashamed of myself that I could not come back to them and tell them something positive. You see the turnout, the guys are unhappy that we could not, of course, come back with something positive. And it's not because we have not made several attempts to hear from government, but government refused to speak to us on this matter.
But the taxi operators say they were even more disappointed with the lack of communication from the Works Ministry. And so, going forward,
if them not giving an argument, man, we are by this week, man, we not come to work, man. We are withdraw our service.
However, when TVJ News contacted the National Works Agency, it finally confirmed that funds have been allocated to repair the road. Communications manager at the NWA, Stephen Shaw, told our news team that work should begin before the end of April.
We are now treating with the procurement process, which we hope to finish in very, very short order so that we can move with the activities in respect of making the corridor that much easier for the public to go about their business.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.